Okay, good morning everyone. Guys, money kayo iiwan, kayo masasarapan. Hey guys, so I have to speak Tagalog English for the sake ng mga tao nagpa-follow. Sana wag niyo i-unfollow, mag-subscribe, wag mag-unsubscribe para maintindihan nila kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko. Actually, kanina guys, maaga po gumising because I have an important thing to do. Yes, actually, ang ganap natin this week is marami. Yes, 5, maraming taba. I just wanna start my vlog na kahit kalkag yung aking buhok. So I just need to do haircut later. Anyway, I just wanna share it about my life. You would never expect na nangyayari talaga siya sa reality. Anyway, I have a mask here, so don't mind me. Because I'm used to it now wearing mask, especially pag lumalabas. Anyway, alam mo yung buhay ko is like a teleserye. Yung pinagsamang Mara Clara, Private Benjamin, if you watch them, you know, I just wanna share it sa vlog ko na pinanganak ako na dun ko nalaman sa iba na yung akala ko parents ko sila. No, ang pinakamasakit doon na nalaman mo sa mga titas, uncle, sa iba, my parents never told me na, alam mo before, nakakaya sabihin kampon. Pero ngayon, no, it's widely accepted na. Kasi yung mga adopted, masocial yung word adopted. And binibigyan na, pantay na. Kasi actually legal. Actually guys, hindi ko talaga alam na adopted ako. Sa iba ko na lang naririnig. Kaya nga nakakaawa. Yung dati, introvert ako, yung tipong, introvert. Yung introvert ako. Pag naririnig ko na adopted ako, alam mo ang sabi, sinasabi sa self ko na hindi ako maniwala. Yung nagiging quiet, silence means peace. Kaya nga nung nalaman ko na adopted lang ako, as in from the mouth, siguro ng biological father ko, nung yung adopted mother ko, she was brought first attack, yun na pa yung last. She was inside the ICU. Umiiyak din po yung biological father. Tapos doon na, takot daw siya baka hindi daw makayang ibigay niya in case mawala yung mom ko. Kasi yung mom ko actually, ay kikwenta ko na lang yan sa next vlog ko. Ito po muna, and today is Monday. Gusto ko lahat tayo ay magiging happy. And for my next vlog, of course, yung hair ko, ipapakat na to. Okay? Yun lang muna. Bye! See you later, alligator!